Venture into Limburg, where a once military expanse has metamorphosed into a residential haven. This verdant sanctuary cradles 43 expansive plots ensconced within a sylvan ambience, diligently conserving the existing thoroughfares and verdant tapestry. The outcome manifests as a premium residential enclave that bequeaths serenity, expansiveness, and luxuriant environs. The architecture of the sprawling park villas is intricately attuned to the multifaceted surroundings. A dance of foliage, undulating terrains, and extensive vistas orchestrates a manifold living encounter. The ground floor's scattered layout coalesces into a unified expanse within, a departure from the fragmented sameness of a singular compact exterior shell. This conceptualization begets a myriad of experiences within the confines. Illumination waltzes across the day, casting different areas into focus while intermittently revisiting specific locales later on. The inclusion of a central courtyard augments the coherence of the entire ground floor arrangement, bestowing airiness, luminosity, and roominess. This nexus blurs the boundaries between inside and outside, intensifying and prolonging sightlines. Varied ceiling elevations and finishes within the chambers distinctly demarcate specific zones and functionalities within the residence. Each space boasts its unique ceiling height and finish. The living space is nestled into the topography, perpetually shifting the occupant's viewpoint and enriching the spatial encounter. The villa's 5 interconnected volumes deviate in dimensions and placement, crafting a varied exterior panorama from every angle. The uniform simplicity of the facades and awning in clipped bamboo accentuates the sculptural essence of the edifice. The landscaping plan harmonizes with the meticulously shaped outdoor expanse, tailored to the villa's form and facade apertures, culminating in a seamless interplay of architecture, interior, and terrain. Bespoke furnishings and recessed closets underscore the interior's opulence. Sumptuous materials, such as oak panels coated in oil, an unbroken cement floor, and grigio alpine natural stone foundational elements and staircase, take center stage. Cabinets in the entryway, kitchen, living area, and lounge flaunt dark oil-treated oak veneer, while those in the bathroom and corridor exude a light oak veneer. In the bathroom and first-floor office, open ceilings don a white hue, coupled with light oak cabinets. Natural fir wood graces the open ceilings in the living room, ground floor lounge, and upstairs bedrooms. The kitchen and bathroom, in contrast, boast closed ceilings. The entrance's lavatory space is crafted in brick with a lime wash finish.